Yo, what's up, world? It's me, Horace, with Digital Surf. And I'm here pretty much to update my idea for Bitcoin. Um, Recently, I shared an idea. You can probably see it under my profile if you were to go there, hypothetically. But recently, I shared an idea showing that Bitcoin was in a triangle formation for wave B of a bigger zigzag wave. Um, Not going to get too much into why I believe it's a zigzag. But I do think we're dropping below 35K. I think we are in the mid phase of that drop. And after we finish this correction here, we're going to continue south. Um, but previously, my markup was a bit wrong in its, location for each point here. A wave was obviously right. You know, it's pretty easy to spot A wave. Um, but pretty much had like a B and a C and a D all in this area here. Um, but this is all one triple zigzag wave, I believe. So considering that as one set of waves, a triple zigzag wave, this would be our B wave. We got A here. We had a diagonal wave for A wave of C here, internal wave A. Then we had a strong impulsive wave up that also had wave 5 as the ending diagonal, in my opinion, from what I saw on a micro, a more personal, in close, granular level. It looked to be an ending diagonal. Um, so with C wave coming up here, if this holds, if we hold below the red line, if we hold below this orange line more specifically, the orange line being at the current peak we have right now is at $51,479. So if we stay below that point, if we don't pump back up another $500, we should come down to this area here. I'm not sure where D wave is going to end yet, but it's either going to come to this trend line, this angled trend line, or it's going to come towards this descending trend line here. Or it could also stop at the horizontal support area as well. But we'll see where D goes. It's just a matter of time of waiting to see where the first leg of that goes, and then we can kind of get an idea as um, to where the final point is gonna go as well. So this is all anticipatory over here. Obviously, this hasn't happened as of yet, but I think we're gonna chop down, and I think we're gonna find support in this area, and I think we're gonna find denial, either in this zone somewhere. Maybe we come up to this level. Maybe we come over to this angle here. I'm just using my imagination, so to speak. But the rules, pretty much show and state that E wave has to terminate below C wave in order for this formation to remain true. So that's what I'm expecting. As for how E wave plays out, I don't really know yet. We'll just have to wait and see. But I'm expecting it to stay below the point of C wave. So long as C wave stays below the point of A wave right now in the next few hours, obviously. Um, and from there, I'm expecting, I'm expecting big bear action, a big ass bear hug, um, for the next 2 to 3 weeks at minimum, maybe a bit longer. But I'm pretty confident still that we are gonna drop below 35K based on previous action that we saw around 29K a few months ago, back towards February, I think it was. Um, but yeah, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin for the moment. As for long term, of course I'm bullish. Of course I'm very bullish on Bitcoin long term. But as for the next 3 weeks to 3 months, I'm not really sure how long it's gonna take. But for the next 3 weeks to 3 months, I am leaning bearish on Bitcoin. And I suspect that we're gonna fail this level here, and we're gonna squeeze down essentially below 40K, below 35K, and find support in that zone. Not necessarily below 35K. We could find support at 35.4, 35.5 maybe as well. But um, we are going to test that area. I don't want to say for sure, but I'm pretty confident that they're going to test that area and find support there eventually. But we'll see how it goes. It's Horace with Digital Surf. And to sum it up, I think Bitcoin is currently in a triangle correction wave for B wave within a zigzag. As for why that zigzag is occurring, um, you know, we could talk about that another day or another, time. But um, I'm feeling pretty good about Bitcoin being in a descent right here. I think bears are about to gain momentum so long as bulls don't bust through this area here. So if you're a bull, you need to buy right now. If you're a bull and you want this to go higher, theoretically you have to buy and invest in it to make it go higher, right? So if you're a bull, you got to get to work. But if bears get active right here, then I don't think bulls are going to hold support, um, in the zone, essentially. And this is all based on my analysis of Elliott wave theory, being applied to Bitcoin. That's all subjective, of course. So at the end of the day, this is just my opinion. But it's based solely on Elliott wave theory, the use of Fibonacci levels, wave counting, technical analysis. We'll see how it goes, but I'm bearish on Bitcoin. I took a short around this area. I think it was 511. I took a short at recently. Also took a short on Luna around 89 bucks. Planning to hold those for the next few weeks to few months. But we'll see how it goes. I'll keep y'all updated through the thread, through the comments. If you like the idea, follow me. I'll follow you back. I don't follow anybody right now. Just haven't. But if you already do follow me, drop a comment in the thread and I'll follow you back. But yeah, man, I don't think Bitcoin should be a good Christmas gift this year. Maybe New Year's, maybe an Easter present or something. But I think Bitcoin is in need of a correction at this point. Anyway, this is Horace, Digital Surf. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks to TradingView. Peace. I'm out.